send for the matic and the shot of them. Believing in myself and no ego. You follow human beings, them mislead you.
So you're fucking labor, right? Me tell you Ennis, me tell you grieve, you baby heart grieve. And they can't send this to me, I tell you. Me tell you, me don't know. Me never expect this from you.
You suck your mama bye-bye. Visa in a book, me G them a fly. Them no want to see we young and a try.
Ayo, Lion Foot. TV, station, them have to know what going on. We fix up the whole nation and the whole works. Kaboom, calm down. Ayo, first tell them blunt lord. Yabba you, this is not bounty killer. Big up killer. Yabba you, the black like a glock. Them have to know what going on. Kaboom, calm down. Me have the needle and check me so the girl don't have me. Me all purpose. Me angle them vicious. Dash. Bang.
Welcome to Lion Foot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yes, man, bless everyone. Greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queen, lion and lioness. Big up on yourself. You know the man of peace. Lion Foot TV. Yes, man, in this vlog, yeah, boy, I tell you, say, the JLP party is in shambles. Zine, big up all of my JLP and PNP friends, but right now, Mr. Ennis, Winston Ennis, left. No longer the deputy mayor, Zine, after JLP in the, may I tell you, and that cause a havoc right now. I see a lady, an empress, come out and talk, rant in disgust of his actions. Zine, so come there, I could hear what she say. Zine, and you don't know, boy, I tell you, say, it's not a good look. Not a good look. I wonder why. Vershon have a song named Bye Bye, but I'm not going to review another song, yeah, but I like it. You see me? Yeah, man.
To me, it a hello. Suck your mama bye-bye. Visa in a book, me G them a fly. Them no want to see we young and a try.
Yes, man, bye-bye. And also, Desmond Chambers, Mr. Desmond Chambers, retains above rocks division, you know, via Magisterial recount. Zine, so he win back the division, won back the division because of the recount. So the first recount himself lose, now the recount and the way boy, you tell her the JLP never come. But anyway, we are forward.
I watch them on the German represent for Lion Foot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lion Foot Patriots out there.
Welcome to Kingston. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Lamobay, you must stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go.
Yes, man, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you still that shows you care, don't forget to like and share the content. You know what, so we keep it real on the battlefield. Yes, I say I love, we say equality, diversity, equity, empathy, love, unity, strength. Yes, I say inclusion. Is it? And thank you all for your continuous support. Yes, I say. Yeah, man, so I'm there right now on my way to pick up my son after school club. Football, you know. Yeah. But may I tell you, man, Mr. Ennis left the JLP party, said he has to protect his integrity, you know what I mean, his family, and all of those stuff. You see, but this lady, you know, saying he left because he never get to be the mayor. You know him as the deputy mayor, Zine, not the head of the mayor. Zine, so here we shall.
Let me tell you something, naughty people. This really hurt me. I'm going to talk. You understand? Because I couldn't believe say Ennis would have to do with this. You understand? Me couldn't believe say, and all when Ennis have said disrespect on this, and just because Ennis not get deputy mayor again, and Delroy get it, and if we say we are labor right, regardless of what, you not do your party this, and you not do your MP this, and you not do your constituency this, to care where you want to say. That means say you never have the Jamaica Labour Party 2020, and we are going to go down there, go sign as mayor. And one are going to be deputy and one are going to be mayor. And two of them, the PNP, them not swearing. You take the seat and you give the blood clot PNP them. Because I take it and give. You give the PNP them the council as much as we did at JLP and PNP. Because of the two of them that they are running there, you take it and you give the PNP them and you come tell you no. So you're fucking labor, right? Me tell you Ennis, me tell you grieve, you baby heart grieve. And they can't send this to me, I tell you. I tell you, I don't know. Me never expect this from you. Regardless of why you shouldn't do the Labour Party, this or not is this. You go talk about independent, me blood clot. What kind of independent? You're a fucking wicked man. And because of blood clot greed, you sit down there for blood clot 8 years and you pull a blood clot crowd. You understand?
Boy, me I tell you, sir, I saw politics. I saw people love politics, man. Jesus, peace. Yeah, the lady, I cry. That voice there, I cry, she a cry. She's a JP, you know, but me not call her name. Well, we don't understand. Some people take politics serious. You might have some people take them politics serious, man. You see it. But again, you know, Mr. Ennis, Winston Ennis, if he felt that was the right decision to do, option to take, yeah, he did the right thing. As I'm saying, I protect him dignity, you know, him family. And he's tired of the disrespect. That's its words, you know, allegedly disrespect. I'm tired of it, see it? And now this lady, the lady will cry. I say, because he not get to be the mayor, the main man in the house. After so much years, you know? But him take much money and better himself than him just left. And because he left it now in the hands of PNP. See? Viewers and subscribers, we are telling the story, you see it? Politics. Big up the JLP and PNP friend them, and you know, I love to say right across the board, you know. The whole Jamaica, the 4 corners, in 14 parishes. Yeah, man, live in love and vote for a cause. Vote for betterment. You see what I say? Voting have to go on, you know, election have to run. In every country, election have to run. And you have to have someone. A lead. See, but make sure so now vote for betterment. Don't vote because of the little $5,000 bill and the, you know, Roman beer as your job last say. Every 4 years, them disappear. The 5th year, them appear. See $5 grand, yeah, Roman beer. Through them election, they near. We now vote again. Yeah, go check out the job last day.
Every 4 years, them disappear. The 5th year, them appear. See $5 grand, yeah, Roman beer. Through them election, they near. We now vote again. Too much ginally in a parliament. We now vote again.
Produced by me, available on all digital platforms. Big up yourself, job last me artist. You see me I say? But yeah, man, it's what we are telling. We are telling our viewers and subscribers. We are telling politics. I wonder what I go on now. I think it's a good look for the PNP because we see Mr. Warmington also said Andrew Holness fire him and never him resign. So you know, basically must say right now he's independent because he not get no support. Andrew never back him. Zane, and him never say nothing wrong. People just take it out of context. But again, me I say, you have to be careful in this day and age. You have to be careful what you say out there, you know, to the public, because if your mouth slip, you slide. And it all goes out to me and not the rest of YouTubers. When you're up on camera, you have to be careful of what you say because it might come back to haunt you. But I say, I look at thing with Jay Frey and foot of them, but hey, yo. But yeah, man, you know, let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. This lady, I love her politics and she burn out Mr. Ennis for his actions. Seeing she's saying betrayal, he's a betrayer, you know. But let me know what y'all think in the comment section still, is it? Next now, Mr. Desmond, you know what I mean? Yeah, Desmond won Chambers won Above Rocks. Above Rocks, rock call. Big up yourself for your look, JNR International. You see me I say? He won the division because of recount, Magisterial recount, Zine. So PNP has won that division, and before let me just say he never win, you see me? He lost it, but not because of recount, you know what I mean? And you know, Mark Golding said he's taking the matter to court for St. Thomas and the next town there. You see me? where they've seen significant losses, low count, and that never normally happened for the PNP. You see me? Southborough and St. Thomas. You know, and he has noticed the vote has risen, you know, unexpectedly for the JLP. So an unbalance there, you know, so he's taking the matter to court. And thinking, I mean, and he have sufficient proof to show that certain ballots of the ballots them were, you know, tampered with or there's a sabotage or whatever, you know, allegedly. You see? But yes, life are the greatest thing. Now, big up yourself, my viewers and subscribers. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. You know, Lion Foot, the man of peace. I will say live in love, unity, strength. See my fellow Jamaicans all over the world, the diaspora, especially on the island. Stop the crime. Youths, think before you act. You see me? I say put on the Glock. You see me? Don't shoot a friend I made back. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. And man of peace, blessed love. Vershon, bye-bye. Yeah, man, never tell a lie. And big up Love Star Music, you know. Yeah, man, bad production. Blessed.
To me it a zelo, suck your mama bye-bye. Visa in a book, me G them a fly. Them no want to see we young and a try.